Why, today we're working on the furnace. The RV mechanic came out and he couldn't pull it through, except at the back there's these screws sticking out that are holding kind of the outside housing. So the housing slips on top of this one, and then there's screws that go all around and they're getting stuck on the edge here. So I'm just drilling it out, kind of just using a drill and just kind of making a ridge there. So I'm going all around and doing that. This furnace is coming out. It just took a little while. There was a fair many screws that were actually sticking out. So just had to take my time and make sure that all the channels were deep enough for all the screws to fit through. Oh yeah, this thing is coming out. I can feel it. There it is. We got it. So I was very happy that it was out. I picked up the phone and I texted the RV repair guy, and he came and got it the next day. Well, this little sucker, as you saw, I struggled getting it out, but it came out. And look how much room there is back there to work on that. It's going to be fun putting everything back together. I think I'll give this a little vacuum while I'm here. So then Ray, with Done Right on-site RV repair, picked it up on Sunday. It was back in and working on Tuesday, and we're back in action. We're very happy with Ray's service. Definitely recommend him. He's in the southern Saskatchewan area, and he can help you out if you are in trouble. And he's affordable, and we would definitely recommend him. All right, so if you like these short format videos, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel.